Hi! In front of me is Motorola Moto G41, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Start by accessing Play Store, clicking on the search bar and typing in Magic Fluids. Now install this free app from this developer and choose Open. Following that, click on those three lines at the bottom right corner, choose Settings and tap on I accept. Over here, you can adjust your wallpaper however you want to, and when you're ready, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time though, select Set to Save Wallpaper, click on Set Wallpaper and pick one of those options, Home Screen or Home Screen and Lock Screen. Click at the chosen one and tap on Home button. As you can see, my wallpaper has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!